Nissan is one of the world's largest car manufacturers. It was started as the Kwaishinsha Motorcar Co in 1918, and then became the DAT Motorcar Co. The company became Nissan in the 1930s. It became a major supplier of equipment to Japan's military before World War II. Nissan expanded overseas in the 1950s. Its compact Datsun car was a huge international success and established Japanese cars outside of Japan. By 1970, they were one of the largest car exporters in the world. Its globalization continued with making cars overseas and forming partnerships with companies such as Renault. Carlos Ghosn became president of Nissan in 2000 when the company was in big financial difficulties. He masterminded a spectacular corporate turnaround to re-establish Nissan as a leading and profitable manufacturer.